Hey guys, welcome. Matagal-tagal tayo walang upload. So by the way, nandito kami sa mall. Nag-review kami ng food sa Samgyupsal. Anyways, tignan nyo yung mall guys. Para siyang isang malaking ghost town. So yun nga, mag-review tayo ng food. I heard may bukas na. So nililibot namin yun yung mall. Yeah, excited ako. I mean, it's been a while guys. I miss you all. Woo! I miss everything about you. I miss everything about food. Alright, so since nandito kami, ayan, pakita ko na rin sa mga millennials dyan, pagkakalam ko, bawal pa kayo sa mall. So ito yung mall ngayon. Hindi ko na sabihin kung saan, pero lahat ng mall halos ganito yung tsura. Okay? Alright, so balita ko kayo mamaya pag nandun na kami. Hanap lang kami ng kung anong meron and all. Alright? See ya. So, balik tayo sa normal mechanics natin. Okay? So, na-rate natin sila from 1 to 5. Kung masarap yung food, yung ambience and all. So, package na yun. Yeah. So, let's do it the old-fashioned way, shall we? Okay guys, so nakita tayo ng bukas na. So, Samgyup Korean restaurant. Yes! Makapag Samgyup na yun. Let's go. So yung in-order natin is beef, pork, and chicken. Okay, so hindi ko na sinabi yung shrimp kasi feel ko lang kainin eh beef, pork, and chicken. Alright, so yeah, I guess that's it. Mamaya mabalita ako kayo kung masarap o hindi. It's like the old-fashioned way, bibigyan natin sila ng rate. Tingnan natin kung masarap. Okay? Kudos yun. Guys, so simulan na natin magpakabusog. You can see, okay naman siya. Tignan natin yung lasa. Okay, later on. Hey guys, so tapos na tayo kumain. Okay, so, Samgyup Korean restaurant. Ba masabi ko sa'yo? I mean, by the way, kudos pala sa mga crew, napaka-accommodating nila. Napaka-babait nila. And isang sabi mo lang, bibigyan agad yung gusto mo. And for that, okay. Now, Samgyup Korean, ano ba masabi ko? Kasi I already tried a lot of samgyupsal. They taste the same to me. Nagkakaiba lang sila dun sa part na side dishes. Okay, so for example, yung kimchi, yung mga ganun. Well, dito, same old, same old. Nothing, for me, just for me guys, my own opinion, nothing special, nothing, no, walang wow factor. Sakto lang. So, yung bahay nyo. Ayaw ko ngayon lang to sa pagpunta ko dito. Okay naman yung bahay nyo, may bidet. Sakto naman. Kung napansin nyo guys, social distancing talaga dun sa loob ng restaurant. Which is okay naman. I'm not against it. It's the law. Pag may batas yung classroom nyo, charing. Anyways, so yung karne naman guys, okay naman, good naman. Yung nagustuhan ko is yung beef. Now, bibigyan natin sila ng rate, 1 to 5. 5 being the highest, 1 being the poor. And I would give Mr. Samgyup here. Just for me, okay, my own opinion. Alam ko maraming fan ng Samgyup dyan, pero for me, it's just 3. Alright, again, walang wow factor. I don't see, kailangan nila something special. It's just same old Samgyup. Alright, so be safe. Stay at home if possible. Hindi ko pinopromote na lumabas kayo ng bahay. And wear mask all the time. Just to be sure. And like and subscribe. And bid you guys a great day.